Have you ever wondered if the stone you own is a real diamond or just an imitation? In this video, we'll show you a simple test you can easily do at home using white vinegar to find out if your raw diamond is genuine. All you need is a glass cup and a small amount of vinegar. Place your raw diamond into the cup and let it sit for a few minutes, then carefully observe what happens. If there's no reaction, no bubbles, no change in color, this is a strong sign that your stone is a real diamond, as diamonds do not react with acids like vinegar. However, if you notice fizzing, discoloration, or surface changes, that means your stone is not a real diamond but another, softer material. Still, remember that the vinegar test alone isn't 100% conclusive, so it's best to perform additional tests such as the scratch or light reflection test for more accurate results. Try this experiment yourself and share your results in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more home gemstone testing videos.